Hi guys, it's Ryan from Hills. I'm on Swinton Park Road at Salford M6. The exciting opportunity to show you this beautifully presented 3-bedroom semi-detached property that backs onto Oakwood Park at the back. Let's take a look inside. As we enter the property, we go into a entrance hallway, which on your right opens it up. This lovely lounge diner space. Nicely decorated, as you can see. Then just through here, a nice modern fitted kitchen. And then through to a conservatory, which leads on out. This nicely presented garden at the back, which is low maintenance, paving and artificial grass as well. As you can see, we've got an outbuilding towards the back, which is currently used as storage. Property is in a convenient location with an easy access of transport links through to Salford Quays, Media City and Manchester City Centre. Several good local schools nearby, and it also benefits from being within easy access of Salford Royal Hospital as well. As we head upstairs, we'll find that there are 3 well-proportioned bedrooms. The main bedroom just through here, benefiting from that bay window. 3rd bedroom, which is currently in use as an office. 2nd bedroom just through here, with views of the park to the rear. And then we have a really nice modern fitted bathroom. Get in touch to secure your viewing today.